Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this method or tricks using, you can create your business page. If you already face something went wrong issue or too many pages created issue, how can you solve this issue? At first, if you are using web or Android main version app or ISO app, Facebook app, you cannot create multiple page or single page. This issue for Facebook app and web version. If you are download the Facebook Lite version app, you can easily create your Facebook page. Please follow this video and create your page for your business. If this method is working, please like and share and comment in the below. Thanks for watching.